Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Everyday Life, and today I'm gonna show you how to make French toast. Okay, the first step, I'm gonna show you how to crack my eggs. But for French toast, you have to crack it in this pot. Well, this pot big enough, like your family members and stuff. How many eggs you need and stuff. Well, I need about 5-6 eggs, I think. Well, because I have a family. Well, yeah, I need to. Well, um, yeah, and if you didn't watch Eggy Breakfast, yeah, this is the Eggy Breakfast part 2 is how to make the French toast, but it's still an egg combination. Mm, yeah, and then we're gonna put in some cinnamon powder. Yeah, cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon. And then sprinkle it side to side. Okay, just keep on sprinkling. Okay, and then we have to put black pepper sprinkle side to side, and then grab the tablespoon of salt. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, you have to shake it for the salt, every salt to go. And then put I like to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Um, you know, because there's so much these flavors and spices. So yeah, it's good. Okay, and now it's time for beating it. It's time to beat the eggs up. Okay, and now beat it side to side and side to side. Fast, 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 fast. Okay. Now we have to light the stove. Yeah, in our place, yeah, we have to turn on it and the same time light it. Okay, it's on. Okay, it's time to put the pan. Lower it for about medium low heat. Put the pan on the heat, and then okay, grab some butter and then put it on the pan. Shake it side to side. Well, do spread it all around, just not side to side. Spread it all. Make sure you can make it all around much as possible before it melts. And the oil spread everywhere, and then grab a piece of bread and then dip it in the egg syrup. There's so many different types of French toast, but we like having a nice flavor of French toast. Okay, it is time to grab the French toast and cook it, and leave it on the stove for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you will see the result. And if you enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and a notification if you want to see more videos. Okay, time to scoop it, flip it. Oh, I might have accidentally flipped it too quick. So yeah, we're going to need to wait. But I like to just cook the other side. This time I messed up, but see, I'm still learning. Oh, and if you're a beginner, well, like me, well, I'm just learning with you guys. Make sure a parent is supervising you. Unless you, yeah, parent safety is first. Okay, first, what you should do, if you practiced 1,000 and 100 times, you don't really need you don't need parent supervision after 1,000 times, because you must be mastered it by now. Once you're comfortable with it, that's when you mastered it. Okay, I'm trying to scoop it. It's very hard. It's very hard to flip over. Okay, now that side, as you see right there, that's a perfect side. I have to let the other side cook for a bit. It's because I messed up on that. No, it's not messing up. It's learning. Yeah, you're learning. Oh, your first time, second time. I said 1,000 times. Try. Yeah, so bring the plate. Get the plate ready, because we're gonna have to scoop it up. Yeah, it's very slippery. There's another technique, but I'm trying to do it. You know what? Let's just use another technique. This is so much better. Just slide it onto the plate. Okay? And put the pan back. First, turn off the stove because you don't want anything to happen. And then, yeah, I'm turning off the stove. And then, no, flip it over if you want to check how the other side did. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Bye!